Hello everyone, my name is Nur Widiana and today I would like to present my paper Modeling Photovoltaic Adoption and Diffusion, a Literature Review. As we know, environmental issues like increasing energy demand, natural resource depletion, and climate change problem require a transition to low carbon and sustainable energy resources. One of major challenges in developing various forms of renewable energy is land. This is resolved by using rooftop PV, as additional land is not needed. Development of rooftop PV influenced by acceptance level of this technology at the household level through an adoption process. The household as decision maker consider various aspects and play a unique role in communal resolution. There is needed to assess the decision-making style and the different attributes for each household for exploring the potential policy intervention to facilitate the adoption of PV system. When making effective policy, it is important to understand the adoption mechanism of solar PV system by evaluating the heterogeneity of customer and social environmental interaction. The most commonly used adoption and diffusion framework is Diffusion of Innovation by Rogier. There has been rapid development in this area of research within the last few decades. The equation-based modeling and agent-based modeling are approach widely used recently to model the adoption and diffusion of innovation. This paper aims to obtain a general description of the research progress in the modeling adoption and diffusion of PV system. The literature review conducted based on a PRISMA framework that is encompassed on 4 stages. The first stage is identification, is carried out through the tracking of journal and paper on Scopus using a keyword combination of solar, photovoltaic, adoption, and behavior. The second stage is screening, conducted by exploring the paper title, keyword, and abstract for relevant to the study scope. The limitation include the year of journal publication. The third stage involves checking the paper eligibility by examining the availability of full article. And the last stage is inclusion. Attention is focused on the modeling of PV system adoption developed in the paper. A paper search related to the PV system adoption through the Scopus database produced 116 papers. First article was discovered in 1986. Steady increase over the year in line with growing of PV utility. After screening and eligibility check, only 65 we have for future analysis. Most of paper discuss PV system adoption in Europe and America. This finding agree with the rapid of PV system development in country with 4 seasons, sufficient sunlight, and not too high temperature to be the optimal condition for PV utility. 17 paper from Asia. Dominated by Japan and China as the largest users in Asia, and only 1 paper discuss application of PV system in Africa. And then we classify the paper based on qualitative or quantitative research. From the 65 paper, 13 focus on qualitative research. Survey, review, and interview were used to explore various motivator, behavior, and customer behavior in adopting PV system. 52 quantitative paper which modeling the adoption of PV system with various approach. EBM is the dominant method compared to ABM. EBM were characterized by various underlying theory, and the most popular basic equation is theory of diffusion, regression analysis, and sociodynamic. Based on Candace, we classify the approach based on the ability to cover the complexity of social behavior and the ease of data collection. Agent-based modeling has a good ability to cover complexity of social behavior but has high difficulty in data collection. In contrast, regression analysis is easy to collect data but less able to cover the complexity of social behavior. Sociodynamic approach try to simulate adaptation pattern as a macro scale using techno-economic data, easily accessed without compromising important social dynamic. A question-based modeling approach recognizes two kinds of entities, individual and observable, each with a temporal aspect. This model is initiated with the set of equations expressing the correlation between observer variable. For the evaluation, produce evolution observable over time. Modelers are able to recognize the relationship of individual behaviors, but it is not explicitly represented. The common equation-based explanation for the adoption model curve include the logistic model of the Bayes diffusion and regression analysis. ABM explore how individual patterns interact with each other during the decision-making process. This is used to investigate the adoption behavior by individual in order to obtain a model overview on a broader scale. The recognition of numerous modeling with ABM raises questions concerning the type of ABM approach suitable for modeling PV system adoption in the household sector. In addition, the suitable of various approach type is assessed by exploring the theoretical and empirical basis of ABM decision rules and also from agent initiation and social network structure. Effective policy are evaluated in several stages. The first, determine the model structure, determining parameters using historical data, validating by analyzing the result and the subsequent application into different datasets, and the last, develop policy recommendation by projecting the model into the future. ABM is an alternative in overcoming deficiencies of EBM with its ability to describe heterogeneity of household preference, communication, and social influence in decision making. It also has flexibility to explore the effect of various policy intervention on adoption rate. By using parameters from empirical data which are calibrated and validated, it can produce the same accuracy as equation-based modeling. The difficulty in building ABM is the excess data requirement. This problem is possibly overcome by transparency in modeling design, assumption, and also by adaptively building an empirical database and a greater accuracy. This causes the limited ability to provide prediction only under the conditions specified in the model. This shows the importance of setting the predicted condition. There are many approaches toward the empirical parameterization of ABM, including survey, interview, direct observation, and expert knowledge. It is highly recommended to use a theoretical framework for ABM development in simulating technology diffusion, e.g. diffusion model and TBB. And we can make a conclusion. The decision-making process for rooftop PV adoption by household is a complex problem influenced by various factors including technological performance, social network, and value that I believe. EBM has able to describe the diffusion of PV system, but it can describe household heterogeneity. ABM supported by theoretical framework has the ability to overcome some of this limitation and provide insight into the dynamic of behavior related to household adoption of PV system. ABM also has a better ability to represent population diversity, incorporate behavioral aspect, and also integrate consideration on social network influence. Therefore, ABM can help policymakers to target program using PV system, although ABM has limitation in understanding the dynamic of technological diffusion under the circumstance of insufficient empirical data. That's all from me. It is my reference, and thank you for watching.